Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on and styling a new Leohex swimsuit or bodysuit, not really sure what to call it. I'm really excited. I'm going to pair it with some tights, so let's get into it. Oh wow, it's so soft. It's like silk. Oh, that feels good. Obviously, I had to get the black one, as black is one of my favourite colours. This is the long sleeved one with a zip at the back, not at the front. As you can see the detailing on the front here. It is so silky. Look how shiny that is. Got a little collared neck. I got it in the size large. I'm really excited to try it on. Oh my god, it's so silky. So I've got some pin-striped tights where there's a stripe up the back, which I'm really excited to pair with. These are from the Tight Spot, one of my favourite places to buy tights and stockings from. I don't know if you can kind of see the line that goes all the way down. And then it's got some detailing on the bottom of the foot as well. I think this will pair really nice with my new bodysuit. Let's try it on. It's a hack that I got taught when I was younger. How to take off stuff under the clothes. No one can see. I think these are a size large too. Because I always struggle to find clothes that fit my thighs. Ooh, these are soft too. Here's how the tights look from behind. You've got this like pinstripe detailing on the back, which looks so cute with some heels. Love it. Now I've got the tights on, it's time to put the Leohex Bodysuit on. Another good thing about this is that they use the YKK zips, which is a really good quality zip, so that's good. Let's try and get this off though.
A few moments later.
I'm back. I have delabeled it and I'm ready to try it on. Wow, so soft. Wow. Wow, so silky soft. This is so silky. This feels so good on my skin. Wow, look at that. And obviously, I've put it on the wrong way. So let me go and fix that. So here's how it should look with the zip at the back rather than at the front. Although I did like how it looked at the front as well. Oh yeah, it does look better though. Pull up the arms. Nice. Then do it up at the back. Here's how the back looks. The zip. So here's how it really should look. Here's the final look of it all on with the tights. So shiny. I think next time I buy a pair of tights, I'm going to size up so it doesn't do this like rippling effect. What do you think? Do you think it suits me? Because I absolutely love it. This is a new journey for me, spandex. These swimsuits, so silky. I can't actually believe at how soft and silky and shiny it actually is. See, look at it all glimmering. So cute, I love it. Unfortunately, I can't show you the back as there's too much showing. Cute, huh? I'm glad I got it in black. Here's a little close-up of it. What do you rate it out of 10? And if it's not your thing, then don't bother commenting. Because I love it so much. Us Brits love a tea. Especially a Yorkshire tea. If you're from Yorkshire, you know. Oh, I love that sound. To continue the styling, I thought I'd pair it with my classic black stilettos. They are super cute and glossy, and I think they go with this look quite well. So let's put them on. Here's how the heels look on. Super cute, don't you think so? Paired with my nylon tights. I'm going to put my microphone on the floor so you can hear my heels a bit more. So here's the final look. I've got the Leohex Spandex Bodysuit swimsuit on. I've got the tight spot tights on. The pinstripe going down all the way at the back of the legs. And I'm also wearing my stiletto heels. So I think they pair perfectly with it. Don't you think so? Let me know down in the comments what you rate this whole outfit out of 10. I absolutely love replying to your comments and seeing what you think of my outfits. Also, comment down below what you think of just the spandex bodysuit. Just this silky bodysuit from Leohex. Let me know what you think about it on its own, because I'm going to be wearing it on its own very soon. Very cute. So cute. Love how long the sleeves are as well. Cute, very comfortable as well. Sometimes things like this, where they're really tight, they're not very comfortable. But this seems to fit my body shape quite well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my YouTube video today. Please make sure to leave a little comment down below so I can read and reply to your comments. Share this with your other spandex Leohex lovers. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my shiny outfits. And I will see you next time.